The United States and Britain are striking targets belonging to the Iranian-backed Houthis in Yemen after attacks on ships in the Red Sea. United States officials say training bases and drone depots were among the targets hit, but there are reports that civilians have also been targeted in the area. According to Yemeni news sources, the American warship was hit. According to Hebrew sources, an American ship in the Red Sea was hit by a surface-to-surface missile called. There are reports of civilian casualties in attacks on Yemen. After the attack on Yemen, oil prices rose by 2.5%. Initial reports indicate that an American target was hit in the Red Sea according to the Pentagon. Drone manufacturing facilities and explosives depots were attacked. Iraq. Sirens sound at the United States Embassy in Baghdad. Attacks on Yemen are carried out by planes, ships, and submarines. All American bases in the region have been put on red alert. A war is expected to break out here. The states of the region, on the other hand, closed their air bases next to the Yemeni state and declared a no-fly zone. According to the statements made by the United Kingdom, coalition forces will intervene in the war that will break out here, it was said. In the statements made by the American president, it was said that our attacks were carried out in response to the attacks of the Yemen. On the Red Sea, the United Nations Security Council has adopted a draft resolution calling for an immediate halt to attacks by Iranian-backed Houthi fighters in Yemen on ships in the Red Sea. The bill gives countries the right to defend their ships against attacks. That is, it gives the green light to the US-led multinational naval task force in the region to repel attacks targeting merchant ships in the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. But the American people are questioning what the American and British militaries are doing in the Middle East.